Hi everyone, it's Karen. This week I cast on this sweater. It's called the Boxy. It's a design by Joji Locatelli, and this is the first time that I'm making a sweater with hand-dyed yarn. And I've been told that what you need to do when you're using hand-dyed yarn for a larger piece is to alternate your skeins so that you don't have color variations in your work, because one skein to another can vary quite significantly in terms of color or shade. And you certainly don't want that to show up on your sweater. And the other thing that can happen is that your colors can pool. You can have all of one color in one section and it doesn't look very attractive. So since I'd never done it before, I looked up a couple of things to find out what I should be doing. And one thing that I was told is that I need to always consistently twist the yarn the same way. And what you end up with on the back of your work is a line like this, where you're carrying your line, your wool up the piece. As well, since I was new to this, I was too loose in the beginning and then I tightened it up a bit and it was a little bit too tight. But all of this I'll be able to block out. In the meantime, I've started doing this a different way. And with this method, it's practically magical. You don't see anything on the front or wrong side of your work. You can see here it's completely consistent where I've been changing my skein. And on the back as well, you don't see anything there. The best part about this method is that it's super easy. When I showed it to my friends, they couldn't believe how simple it was. Okay, so I'm just going to knit to where I need to alternate my skein. So I've got 3 stitches left here. And now I know that I need to alternate my skein because I have wool in the front here. So what you do to alternate is you take the wool that you've been working with, which is in the back, you bring it to the front. You take this wool that's in the front, you put it in the back. You have just alternated skeins. So now you take the skein that's in the back, you pull it snug, not too tight, and you just continue knitting. That's all there is to it. You continue knitting in the round until you get to where your wool is in the front. Then you know this is where you need to alternate your skeins. Put this one in the back and put this one in the front, and you've alternated again. So I hope this has been helpful to you. Thanks so much for watching.